welcome back to my channel and I'm filming after ages. So today is जिस दिन मैं ये वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ, it's 11th April, it's Saturday and we are still in quarantine and Harry's home. मैं तो घर पे रहती हूँ, मेरे लिए it's no difference quarantine or no quarantine, but I really wanted to do some fun videos for you guys in this time. I'm not able to get time इस तरह की वीडियोस बनाने में because I'm super busy because mates are not coming. I'm doing all the household chores and I'm also taking care of Kabir because Harry has to like work from home. So yeah, he also can't even help me out, but he tries. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत होता है, he still tries. But yeah, today's weekend. Harry's not working today, so I got a chance to sit and film. And yeah, so let's get started with this fun video. So ये वीडियो में क्या है? I ordered this foundation couple of months back, not even couple, I guess काफ़ी time हो गया, almost 6-7 months back. This is a color changing foundation. I saw ad of this product on FB or Insta, I don't know, कौन से पे देखी थी, but I thought of getting it and trying on myself and telling you guys whether this foundation works or not. So this is TLM Color Changing Foundation. Yeah, sounds funny, right? So let me just talk about this foundation. जो भी इसके packaging के ऊपर, I'll be letting you guys know. This is all day flawless, lit from within complexion, perfectly flawless finish. It has SPF of 15. Basically इसका concept ऐसा है कि whatever color you are, it doesn't matter. जो भी आप जब भी आप ये फाउंडेशन लगाएंगे अपने फेस पे, it will get to that color which will match your skin and it will look like as it is your color and give you really nice flawless finish. And it says Ultra HD foundation feels like a second skin but still provides medium coverage, and the light diffusing formula looks natural and makes skin look flawless and feel moisturized. It's exclusively 4K complex, guarantees invisible, natural and comfortable makeup. The fluid texture blends in seamlessly and conceals imperfections to unify the skin texture. Yeah, so this is what they say about the foundation, and this is made in China, by the way. Yeah, I really don't have high hopes with this, but yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes in a white bottle and it's a plastic bottle with white cap, and the amount of product I'm getting is 30 ml of product. I paid I don't remember actually, I paid $10 to $12 for this foundation. Yeah, I don't remember, but yeah, this is how the foundation looks like. The packaging looks like actually. So I'm gonna try it on back of my hand for the first time. मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया, so this will be like my first experience. So let's just check out. Oh, it looks white. It looks like a cream. It is white. Let me just start blending on the back of my hand and see whether it changes color or not. This is how it's looking. I don't think so it is changing any color, and it's very thick in texture. I think I'm applying a thick layer of SPF on my skin and blending it. That's what it feels like. Oh, there's a slight change in color. I can actually see a slight change in color in the, I don't know whether the camera picks up or not, but it is getting to a, you know, skin color जैसी होने लग गई है. Yeah, that's all blended. It is kind of giving a white cast just like a sunscreen. You can see the difference in both of my hands. If you want to look fair, I think this is the foundation you can go for. But yeah, that's what it looks on my hands. Now I will be trying this on my face. Okay, so what I will be doing, I have moisturized face. I do have a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I have already done my eyebrows. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? I'll be doing half of my face using my fingers. Yeah, maybe शायद warm होके ये थोड़ा अपना color change करे. You know, and fingers help in warming the product. And on the other side, I'll be using a brush, and I'll be using my favorite foundation brush, which is PAC 003. So let's do it. So taking this foundation on back of my hand, and I'm gonna start dotting this foundation to my half of my face. And okay, this side will be using fingers. So let's do it. Oh, you can actually see a little bit of color change of the foundation on face, क्योंकि मुझे hands पे इतना नहीं लगा था. but I think on face it is actually changing its color. But it is too white for me. Though it is changing its color, it is trying to match my skin color, but again it's too white for me. Okay, let's do the forehead. The most difficult part of my face is to do forehead because मेरा forehead mostly tanned रहता है than my whole face. So I'm just gonna blend. Oh my god, I look too white, like too white. Maybe when it will settle down, it will look a little better, but I can't say right now. It is looking a little white on my skin, but as you can see, it is settling down. मेरा complexion थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है. It's not looking very odd or very ghostly. Decent foundation. Now I will be trying the other side with the brush. So I'm just gonna take the foundation and I'm just gonna dot it again. Okay, I'll take some on my neck because I don't want कि बहुत weird लगे मेरी neck और मेरा face. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Got some on my eyebrows. All right, now let's just use the brush. I'm just gonna blend it in circular motion. I'm gonna start buffing this foundation really nicely. So alright guys, blended with the brush as well. Yeah, trust me guys, I never thought this would work, but as you can see my face, it is not looking very weird or very ghostly. It is looking decent and it has given me medium coverage as well, which I didn't expect it. So मैंने बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं सोचा था because I was very doubtful about this product, especially because it was white in color and I am brown, so शायद ये white बंदों पे अच्छे से काम कर जाता है या फिर जो बहुत गोरे हैं, fair हैं. But I am a little on bit duskier side, so मुझे doubt था कि मेरे पे काम करेगा नहीं करेगा. But as I can see the finish, it is not looking that I have worn something out of the world या फिर बिल्कुल like मेरे shade mismatch पहना है मैंने. It actually really nicely blended into my skin and given me really nice medium coverage, and it is not looking odd at all. I'm surprised, literally I'm surprised. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll be back and I'll be sharing my thoughts about this foundation really soon. So guys, I'm back after my full face makeup. Eyebrows मैंने पहले की हुई थी. I just put on some blush and lipstick and that's it. It is a little greasy. I think थोड़ी गर्मी हो रही है शायद इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है a little sticky, but otherwise it's fine. The color looks fine on me. It is not very ghostly. It's a little lighter than my actual skin tone, but it's not looking weird. Yeah, so my final thoughts about TLM Color Changing Foundation. Well, it is for someone who is not much into makeup and doesn't want to spend on 3-4 shades of foundation and gets tanned and detanned very frequently. I think this is the foundation for those kind of people. As a makeup lover, I won't be going with this, but if you are a person जो ज़्यादा spend नहीं करना चाहता money and you get tan in summer and then in winters you get fair, I think this is the one you can invest on because it will change its color according to your skin tone at that time. Yeah, otherwise it is decent. I will definitely be using it. I'll not waste this bottle because it is looking decent on me. But will I purchase it next time? I don't think so. I will, because as a makeup lover, I don't think so. I am a person who would love using just one foundation and I'm good to go. No, I love to have lots of brands. I love to have lots of different shades. I love to get tan sometime. I'm not that kind of person who will be spending my money again on this, but this bottle I will definitely use it because it's not that bad and it actually worked on me, which I was not expecting. Honestly, I was not expecting this. I was expecting that I will look very ghostly and it will not blend into my skin nicely and this will be like a big fail, but I'm surprised to see that it actually passed. Yes, so अच्छी खासी foundation निकली है तो, and it also have SPF 15, which is good, and it is giving me a little bit coverage and really nice glow, as you can see. So it's not that bad. Yeah, so from me, I think it is a thumbs up. It's not bad at all. You can use it. It worked on brown dusky skin. I don't know if you're darker than me, तो शायद ये काम करे ना करे, but if you're my skin tone, it will work on you. And if you're lighter than my skin, it will definitely work on you as well. Now the actual test, whether it changed its color or it just blended into my skin. So ये हमें देखना है. So उसके लिए I have makeup removing wipe. So I'm not gonna use here because here is my blush और उसका color आ जाएगा. So I'm just gonna use it on my jaw because मैंने jaw पे कोई contour, nothing, कुछ नहीं किया है. और also on forehead I'll be using it just to see that कि इस पे कोई color आता है कि नहीं. तभी हमें पता चलेगा कि foundation ने actual में color change किया है कि नहीं. And a lot of you guys ask me I should stick to one language. Yeah, this is off topic. Either Hindi or English. But guys, this is usually I normally talk. I use English. मैं बीच में English words use करती हूँ. Then sometimes English sentences, English lines, and फिर बीच में हिंदी बोल पड़ती हूँ. So that's how I talk. So कोशिश करूँगी मैं एक ही language पे stick करने की. But some people do like my style. So it's good for that. So let's try. So I'm just gonna wipe some of the foundation from my jaw and see. Oh my god, can you see? That's my actual skin. You can actually see that it is getting removed. And oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. It actually changed its color. Yeah, so this is the proof. And it's not that bad because यहाँ पे मेरी pigmentation है और उसने अच्छे से cover किया है. You can see the difference. So for me, it's a thumbs up. I really like how it worked. And you can also try if you just want to have one foundation in your stack. You can go with this. That's it for the video. So I hope आपको ये video अच्छी लगी हो. It was a fun trying on, testing on thing video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe. Help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and protect yourself. Wash your hands and bach ke rehna. Bye.